Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how to remove border around an input element on focus. Generally, whenever you focus on an input element, you see a black border around it. Let me show it to you. You can see I'm getting a black border here. In this video, you will learn how to completely remove it. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here. It will be index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. We only need one input element here. Remove these attributes and we only need one, that is placeholder. It will be type here. Save it. Now let's get a style sheet here. It will be style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be cornflower blue. Select input element. Font size will be 30 pixels. Display will be block. Margin will be 10 pixel and auto. Save it. Let's open this file in the browser to see the output. So that's the output. Now let's focus on the input element. You can see we are getting this black border here. To get rid of it, you need to set the property outline to none. So here, let's make outline none. That's all what you need. Save it. Now go to browser. Now let's focus on the input element again. So you can see we are no longer getting that black border around it. So I hope you understood how to remove border around an input element on focus. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.